Hello everyone, I'm Hagat. I hope you can hear me. Please write something on the chat. Say hello on the chat, just to know if you can hear me to start the presentation. Could you write something, please, just to start the presentation? Perfect, thank you so much. Okay, so for the other one, it's okay? So let's go. So I'm Agathe. I'm happy to be here to present you the activity of Join a School in France, and also to present you ESIEE Paris, which is an engineering school in Paris. And I'm with my two colleagues here. So Metap.
Hello.
Metap is here to help me during this conversation, and she will answer your questions on the chat if you have it. And Nancy. Nancy is the new intern at Join a School in France, and she's American, so she will help me during this conversation too to understand your question. So this is the team. And now, during this conversation, this conference, we will see so the introduction of Join a School in France, then ESIEE Paris, all of the programs that propose ESIEE Paris, then career, all the requirements to be eligible and to join a master in this engineering school. All the process, of course, because it will help you during this application, and the benefits to join a master in France. And if you have questions, of course, Metap and Nancy are here to answer. So Join a School in France is a program of the Chamber of Commerce in Paris for international students like you. For more than 30 years, it recruits international students to join a master in France in different fields, so in management, in fashion, or in engineering. For today, it's engineering. It's a focus on engineering school, so it's ESIEE Paris. And it's a simple and an easy procedure. It's really quick, and I will be here to explain you the process. And of course, we propose top-ranked school in management, such as HEC Paris, Schema Business School, Audencia Business School, EM Business School, and ESCP Europe. And for fashion, we propose La Fabrique, Institut Français de la Mode, and l'école de la Chambre syndicale de la couture parisienne, and for the engineering, ESIEE Paris. So ESIEE Paris, it's a public institute that is member of the Chamber of Commerce in Paris. The school was created in 1904 under the name Breguet School, so maybe you heard about it. Some key figures: there are 2,000 students and more than 250 international students in the school. Of course, the diploma is recognized by the Commission. In French, it's Commission des titres d'ingénieur since 1971, and it offers specialized masters. So we will see the masters during these presentations. The tuition fees are important, of course, but you can be helped by scholarships. So you can ask for scholarships with the Campus France. Campus France is a French institution that can help you during to have a scholarship So you have this institution in every country in the world. So you have to go on internet and to check if you have a campus funds in your city, and it can help you to have this scholarship. ESIEE Paris offers scholarships too. It's a promotion for excellence scholarship. And one important point at ESIEE Paris is that this school promotes women in STEM. So STEM means science, technologies, engineering, and mathematics. So I think it's a really important point, because women have to be represented in engineering field. So if you are a woman, you need to do some study and to integrate a school in France. It can be a great opportunity for you. So now we will see the programs. So concerning the programs, there are 4 Masters of Engineering programs proposed by ESIEE Paris. So there is the Master of Science of Management of Technologies, Information Systems. Then the second one is the International Master of Computer Science for Intelligence Systems. And there are also International Master of Electronics. And within this field, Master of Electronics, there are 3 elective domains. So the elective domains are wireless communications, micro-nano technologies, and networks and Internet of Things. So there are the 5 Masters of Engineering programs proposed by ESIEE Paris. Now we will see in details the programs. So the first one, Master of Science of Management of Technologies, Information Systems, is a program in 2 years. It's a 2 years program. The first year you will have courses around management of technology, management in general, information systems, and also the French touch. French touch means international culture, and to focus on French culture. So you will have French language to learn and some tips of French culture. Then the second one, it's the International Master of Computer Science for Intelligent Systems. Concerning the program structure, it's a 2-year program too. So the first year you will have courses plus 3 months internships or projects. You can develop your project if you want, and it's a good opportunity for you. Even if you're still a student, you can develop your project during this period. Then the second year you will have courses and 6 months internship with the master thesis. So these programs, in these programs you will see, for example, smart cities, smart home, digital health, intelligent vehicle, smart camera, all of these topics. And the third one, International Master of Electronics. So, as I said, you have 3 elective domains. Of course, you have common compulsory courses that are listed on the PowerPoint on this presentation. Some such as sensors and conditioning circuits, optoelectronics and photonics, etc. And then you will have to choose an elective domain, such as wireless communications, micro-nano technologies, or networks and Internet of Things. To be more precise, in each field, for wireless communications, you will have to study digital communications, RF and microwave circuits. RF is radio frequency. Also electromagnetic modeling for circuits and packages, and antenna design. Then the other one is micro nanotechnologies. So it's topical MEMS design. MEMS, to know, it's just micro, electro, and mechanical systems. And energy harvesting for autonomous sensor, etc. And the last one is networks and Internet of Things, so related to connected objects, wireless networks, etc. And to finish the presentation of programs, some key figures to be optimistic about this masters. Concerning the placement rate, that means that after your graduation and around 6 months after your graduation, there are 94% of the students, of graduated people, that found a job after graduation. You have also 72% that have found a job before graduating. So concerning the salary, you have an average, an annual average, of course, and it's below, au-dessus. It's below the average, because in France it's around 30,000 euros per year. So it's a good salary. And then for the partner, you have some companies such as Volvo, Thales, Dassault Systems. I don't know if you know these types of companies, but they are really they are well-known companies and recognized all over the world, and you can find a job in these companies. So maybe you can see on the PowerPoint some example of job industries related to the master that you will choose. For the first one, number one is for the master of the first master that I have presented, related to information systems. So the type of jobs are, for example, HRM, information system consultant, innovation manager, reporting architects, these types of jobs. For the second master, computer science, you have automotive or aeronautic industry, also geographic information systems, virtual reality. So you have really specific fields related to your master that you will choose at ESIEE Paris. So the requirements to be eligible, it means that to join a master in France, and especially at ESIEE Paris, you need to speak English, because all the masters are taught in English. So French is not mandatory. You have to speak English. Then there is no minimum of age. You can be 30. It's not a problem. You need to be graduated with a bachelor degree or a license degree, this type of level, or the equivalent in a foreign country, and not in France. You have to be graduated in a foreign country, not in France. So you have to obtain a diploma that is not French and that is recognized in your country. It's really important. Of course, you will have to do your application online. So you go on our website, that is joinschoolinfrance.com, and you will start an application online. For the application, for the online application, you will have to submit documents such as diploma, academic transcripts related to this diploma, a photo, 2 recommendation letters. We prefer academic recommendation letters, and there is no type of letter. We accept each type of. There is no formats, okay, and a resume, so your CV, and an ID. This, I insist on this fact that the online application is free. So we will send your documents to the school, and it's free. So the process, when you will go on our website, joinschoolinfrance.com, you will have to select your program that is engineering for your parts, and to fill out a form. If you have some problem to answer or for example technical if you need technical assistance or something like this, you can call us, and Meetup will be here to answer your question, and we will do our best to assist you during this process. Then you will have to submit all your documents, as I said, and one point that is important is to respect the delay. So every month we will send your documents, your application, your online application, and we will send it to the school, to ESIEE Paris, each 10th of each month. Okay. So when you will be selected by ESIEE Paris, will check your application, and if it's okay for ESIEE Paris, ESIEE Paris will contact you to have an interview, okay, to do an interview with you, to know more about your competencies, your skills, your ability, and if you can join a master in their school. So now it's about the benefits to join a master in France. Of course, you have the opportunity to apply online everywhere in the world. You are in your country, and you can do your application in your house, and we will be here for you, even if we are so far. We can be here for you. And you will have an access to the French culture that is really recognized all over the world, and I think it can be an opportunity for you, and of course you will be graduated in a French engineering top ranked school, and after graduation you will be part of an international community of alumni. So you will have an important network worldwide. So do you have questions? Because we are here to answer, so don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to write something on the chat, to ask your questions.
I think we can answer your question. Not by writing, but just speaking. You don't need an English proficiency test because I will call you and just check your level, if you're good or not. I will just check it, so you don't need to take an English level test. I want full requirement list to apply. Okay, I can send it to you if you send me your email. I will send it to you, all the requirements. And also know about degrees offer. What do you mean by degrees offer? Is there master in construction or civil engineering? No. No, we have master's programs in electronics,
Yes.
in computer science,
In information systems
and information systems.
and electronics.
Yes. So if you want more information about all the programs, I can send you our catalog with all the information, all the details about the fees and the courses. So if you want this information, please write your email address. Time to apply, yes. That's time to apply. Do you have any other questions?
So just one thing, for example, if you apply now, your file, your documents and all your application will be sent to the school in October 10th, okay? Because it's, as I said, each month, each 10th of each month, okay?
Okay, so do you have other kind of questions?
So just if you want more information, you can contact Metap. Maybe she can.
Yeah, I will contact you. I will send you an email with all the details about each program. And then if you have any question, you can just reply this the email I will send you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And just to know, we organize webinar each month, each week, and the next webinar in engineering will be on October 17th. So don't miss it. If you need more information, if you want to ask your question in live, and also Metap will contact you after this webinar to send all your to answer all your questions, and don't hesitate to apply and to join a master in France. Thank you so much.
T'as pas la feuille avec tous les programmes? Pas la feuille avec tous les programmes déjà? Programs. What?
Is there a master for urban and regional planning or urban design? Urban design, I think you mean smart cities, maybe? Yes, smart cities, as I said, it's this type of master, International Master of Computer Science for Intelligent Systems, because I think you have smart home, and maybe you have seen the catalog with all the details, the programs in details, and for example, this master intelligence system, I can check it if you have just 2 minutes. I think you have
Just
là c'était intelligence, computer science. Computer science, yes, you have algorithm, image processing, estimation and control, scheduling, real-time constraints, computer vision, computer graphics, distributed control algorithm, distributed real-time systems with a special emphasis of software issues and networking. So maybe I hope I answer your question. But I think it's this type of master that you have to choose related to smart cities. Course.
So for the future prospects after the course, I believe you're asking about possible career opportunities for after doing a program through the school. Is that correct?
Concerning the questions about future prospects after course. Okay. Yes.
So career prospects. So as I got said, 94%, I believe it was 94.
Future prospect after course.
Percent of people have found jobs
okay.
by 6 months
it's
after
about
graduation.
finding a job.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alors, I can. I think it's here. 72% have found a job before graduating, and 94% have found a job 6 months after graduation. The course tenure. 2 year. It's a 2-year programs. For the question, how long will be course tenure? There are 2 years programs. Each master it's during 2 years, even if the master you choose, whatever the master you choose. In France, it's about.
I believe you're asking, are the programs offered only in France, or are they offered in other European countries? I believe that's correct.
Yes, it is offered only in France. It's to join a master in France and in engineering. So ESIEE Paris is in France, in Paris. So it's not in a European country. But you can do your internship in a European countries within this this master program, but the courses are in Paris. Can someone apply for PhD or job? Yes, of course. After a master, you can apply for a PhD or a job in France, of course. But for a job, it depends on with your visa. You have to check if you have the possibility to stay in France. But foreign people are really well integrated in France, and companies need foreign people experience. So it will be an opportunity for you. Of course, you can. Now there is no financial engineering master. We just propose these 5 international masters.
Ça, je sais pas.
Sorry for the last question, but I don't have the real answer. I can answer your question in detail, because I don't know if it's only in France or if it's across Europe. But I will do my best to answer it, because it's really interesting. Okay, so if you have more questions, please, we have your contact, and METAP will send you information, and I will send you another email with the replay of this video. And don't hesitate to contact us. METAP is writing the email address where you can ask all your questions, and we will do our best to answer it. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon in France. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.